We are here at 12181 Kelly Sands Way. This is number 1555, brand new listing, just coming on the market today. A wonderful condo at Kelly Greens. We'll tell you more about that. Let's take a look at this wonderful condo. We are very excited to be here at 12181 Kelly Sands Way, Unit 1555. Here in Kelly Greens Country Club. We're going to take the tour through here and show you this wonderful condo that is available. It's a brand new listing on the market now. 1,160 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and a lanai with a view of a lake and a golf course as second to none in Kelly Greens. Let's check this out. All right, we are here, just stepped inside the front door. This condo is 1,160 square feet, very tastefully decorated in neutral colors. It is turnkey, furnished with the pictures you see on the wall, with the furniture you see in here, very well appointed. So we will take a look at the kitchen. We're going to go around and then we'll do a complete walkthrough. So it has a kitchen with shaker cabinets. You'll see a pantry over here behind me. New appliances that were put in a short time ago, and countertops that are granite. So this kitchen is gorgeous with a view out here. You'll see there is a eat-in dinette set with this kitchen. So we'll take a look at some of the other parts. See all these cabinets are really nice cabinets, high quality in this home. Let's go through, we're gonna buzz through this little hallway here and show you this is the guest bedroom. This guest bedroom is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. It has 1,160 square feet, like I mentioned, with a beautiful lanai. We're gonna look at some of the very scenic views out the lanai. You can see the guest bedroom. And also behind me there's additional storage, because over here is actually a closet. See, we have a queen size bed in here right now that this can be removed very easily because it's not connected up to the ceiling. And you could have a larger bedroom, or as the present owner has found, it's great for storage. Let's look at some more areas. All right, down this hallway then from the guest bedroom, we have the guest bath. And over behind me, you'll see this has been recently remodeled, and you can see a shaker cabinet and a very nice tub and shower combination. Over in the dining area, we have this counter. So we do have a bar top counter for stools. Behind me over here, you'll see the living area with the views that we will show you. All these pictures on the wall. Like I mentioned, the furniture, everything does come with this unit. We have the sofa sleeper here, so this will pull out, sleep a couple more people when you have guests and company over. We have a bar over here, dry bar with a cabinet and granite countertop. Take a walk into the master. It's a very large master, and this also has a slider out to the lanai. All right, we have this large primary bathroom attached to the master. We have a closet in here, very large closet, and you will see the shower's been redone, walk-in shower. We got these new shaker cabinets you can see in the primary bath here. Everything is painted with neutral colors. And now we're going to have the biggest reveal when it comes to what we see over here in the lanai. Now we're going to go step out to one of the most gorgeous views here in Kelly Green complex, which is out the lanai. And we're going to turn this around and show you everything. I do want to mention there are hurricane shutters for the lanai up here, and also on the windows there are hurricane shutters. But let's take a look at this view. Right here off lanai, you're looking at one of the lakes on the golf course. Out beyond the lake, you'll see one of the holes on the golf course, a fairway over there. So this has one of the best views in the entire Kelly Green complex. You can sit out here, enjoy morning coffee. This direction is facing west, so perfect for sunsets over the horizon. And there you can see the slider that also goes into the master primary bedroom. All right, we're going to step back inside. Again, get the overview of this beautiful condo here, tastefully decorated with great furniture and accessories for your new condo. We're going to take a look at this golf course that is for this sub-condo association called the Manor. They have also their own pool. On top of that, you have a large pool at the clubhouse, resort style pool, but you have this one right here, just a few steps away from this condo. So let's check it out. This is very exciting. We're right outside 12181 Kelly Sands Way, and right here by the pool, which is their pool for this little condo subdivision, is actually a little park pavilion. So they have tables and chairs in here, fans, outdoors you can enjoy during different times of the year. So another great feature over at this condo. Okay, behind me here you can see the pool. This pool is a pool just for this sub-association called Manor. So they have a separate pickleball court, they have this little pavilion over here that I showed you, and they have their own pool. So it's not going to be overly crowded because of the fact that it is for the sub-association Manor. So great opportunity to come out and spend time at the pool and not feel like you're overcrowded. We are here outside the clubhouse at the Kelly Green Golf and Country Club. This is a par 72 and 7,000 yard golf course that can be challenging or it can be a little bit easier for amateurs and a lot of fun. This is laid out really well, very scenic, and you will find an enjoyable golf course. So coming to live here in Kelly Green is a lot of fun. You have this bundle golf and it is a great course to play. Let's look at it. All right, you can get a good view of the golf course here. See, very scenic. Take you around and show you more. You'll find the water features carried throughout the different holes on the course, but they are strategically located, so you have some big landing zones. You don't have to worry about the water too much unless you really do a slice or have to hook it really bad. But it's a great course to play, so you gotta come out and try this. You see behind me, one of the holes, actually here's a tee box right here, shoots over this water behind me onto a fairway back here. It's a fun course to play. But behind me is a driving range, and you can see there's a lot of opportunity to come out here and perfect your swing. So also behind me over here is a banquet tent that's used for different restaurant activities, and so there's food and beverage in there. But you can see how well this is maintained and all the different stations here. Behind me over here is a large practice putting green. A lot of stations at, a lot of golfers on at once. All these facilities are well maintained right over by the clubhouse. So again, great place to come and golf. Check this out. Behind me is set up to practice your chipping. So it's a green with a large area around it to practice chipping. So again, there's something for everyone to come out here, practice with range balls, with putting, and with chipping. So another great feature. I'm over here at the tennis courts. They are lit. You see there's lights up here, and they have a setup. So they do have leagues that play here, and they have competition with other leagues around the Fort Myers area. There's even some spectator stands behind me here, benches. So great place. If you're interested in tennis, it's a great place to come and check it out. So remember to subscribe to our channel, and you will get updates on all our real estate tips, information, and homes as they come on the market. So it's a great opportunity to go in depth and check everything out about homes we have listed, and also information that we have for you as a buyer or seller. So again, it's Eric Degelau, DegelauHometeam.com, or 239-351-5556. Thank you.